guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have been given this McLaren 720S for a couple of hours to film, experience it. I mean, personally I've never driven one, Ollie's never even been in one, so it's an experience for both of us. We'll do some spec talking a little bit, B-roll, and then we'll take it for a spin, hopefully do some tunnel runs. Yeah, we parked it in this like abandoned area. We didn't want any cars to make noises and wind noise, so yeah. Right then, let's have a quick look around the car. The first thing you see with the 720S in particular is the huge hole where the light is. I mean, the light's just there, you've got the DRLs there, but then you've got the aerodynamics, so the air will go through here, it will go out of this area here, around the wheel, and it will actually, if you can, you can't see my hand there, but you can actually, the wind will go through the air vent and up the door. So this car is all about aerodynamics, it's all about how the wind reacts with the car. I mean, it's so quick. If a little bit of air turbulence hits the car, it will just take it off track. So all of these little things, I mean, personally I don't like how the lights look, but it works with the car, and that's exactly what McLaren wanted it to do. If we go around to the rear, you can see the huge wing. This has been wrapped in black, but it just suits it really well. I mean, you've got the black roof, the glass, so it works really well. You've got the exhaust pipes here that are very warm. The huge rear diffuser. The car just looks ace on the road. And then we'll look at the engine bay. You can see that it's been driven very well. I mean, the area is quite glowing, and eventually that will turn purple. And then you can see that it's a 4 litre twin turbo V8, and it is absolutely rapid. I mean, we put our foot down a little bit and it just twitched. Yeah, I've proved myself. But yeah, shall we have a quick look inside it now?
Let's go.
I love how the doors go up. So, inside the car, you've got Alcantara, you've got leather, you've got the media system, which is really cool. Let's sit inside it because it's getting a bit windy outside, and we'll talk about it inside. Right then, inside the 720S.
At last.
At last. I mean, you've never even sat in one.
No, not at all until today.
Luckily, I've been a passenger in one around the track and on the road, and this is the first time driving one. And you just get inside it, and it is
really nice.
Very cool. I'm going to turn all the.
It's really futuristic, like. That's one word about it.
Yeah, futuristic's a great word to use. We'll put the heated seats on because it's a bit cold out there. I do love
the space in the back you have.
I mean, you can cruise around, you can chuck a small bag in the back. I haven't even looked in the...
Got your cup holder there.
Cup holder? No, there's a cup holder here, so it's really practical. You can go to McDonald's in it.
McDonald's roulette, have we?
What's that? That's cool. Sorry guys, yeah, we're just exploring the car, so we've never even... Well, I mean, we jumped in it, pressed start, and we drove, I haven't even looked around it. Steering wheel's really nice. You got the flat bottom steering wheel, it just feels really good in your hands. Your media system's really easy to use, and yeah, it's all really
touch screen, that's why it's the easy.
Yeah, really nice place to be.
Got the air vents here,
it looks like a fighter jet, doesn't it?
Really do,
and then you got your all important glass roof.
That's it, yeah.
Let some good air in, and when it's sunny. I'd love to have a go in a 720S Spider though. Yeah. That would be cool on a summer's day.
That would, yeah.
I think that would be really cool. Yeah.
So you got your radio. If you wanna, you can choose whatever station you want. I think you just drag it. Then you close that. It takes you. You should put that.
Yeah. So that's the home button there.
So you gotta click that. So let's say you go back to the radio. If you want to go back,
you press that button.
Press that. It takes you back
to the home button.
Or maybe it doesn't.
Press it again.
There you go.
That's forget it.
Very
Then
temperamental.
you've got your navigation system, whatever you have to. I really like this
That is quite cool actually.
because it
Yeah.
shows you actually where you are, and you can just zoom out or whatever, and yeah,
Quite cool.
that's a cool feature.
So we press that again.
And again,
So that takes you kind of back. You've got your rear view camera. We won't be using that variable drift control today. And then when we turn the car on, does sound good.
it really does.
You've got all of your, so you've got your stop start off, which will turn that off straight away. Active aero on, which turns the aero mode on. We've got the car in sport and sport, so we don't want to put it on track because we don't want to turn any traction control off or anything. And then the dash is really cool. So you've got your tripometer, your speedo, and your kind of tyre pressure and temperature and stuff like that. And then if you press this button here, yes.
We're going to the sports mode.
So that just shows you the gears, the revs, and the speedo. But yeah, that is really cool how you press that button. That's just a gimmick though, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're never really going to use that on the road. Thanks for watching that video. I'm going to enjoy this car for a couple more hours, but make sure you share, subscribe and like. See you later.